Hi guys, in this video let's look at how we can chat with our friends who cannot speak our language using Google Translate. So let's get started. In your chat window, tap on this menu. Tap on Translate. At this stage, you need to select the language in which you want your message to be translated to. So you can do that by tapping on where you have French. Then you have a list of languages to select from. So you choose your preferred language. Then you go ahead and type your message. The language in which you are typing will be detected automatically by the Google Translate keyboard. So let me type something over here so that you see how it works. So I'll type good morning. And then as you can see, that's the French translation over there. If you're okay with the translation, just hit the send button and the message will be delivered to the person. Likewise, the recipient can also do the same translation and respond back to you. Let's say, for example, the person cannot type in English. So he or she will type in French and then the message will be translated to English before it's sent to you. With that, you can have a good communication. Okay, let me select a local Ghanaian language and see how Google will do the translation. So I'll select Ewe. So I'll type my message in English and see how the translation will be done, whether it be perfect or not. That's great. So this is not limited to only WhatsApp. You can use it on any other platform that you use to interact with your friends. But the only thing is that you must make sure you have your internet connectivity on before this translation can work for you. So if you are using SMS, you have to make sure you have your internet on. Now let's try a full sentence and see how Google will do the translation for us.
Unlock the power every day. 10 tips and tricks to lead the way. Learn it fast, make it last. Together we'll upgrade and blast. Tech made easy, step by step. Join the journey, take the rep. From apps to hacks, it's all here. Tech tutorials loud and clear.
Let me try another Ghanaian language and see if the translation will be done perfectly. So I'll type the message. Okay, that's the translation. Now, if you and I can let me know if the translation is correct. I think this is a very nice feature that can help people to communicate effectively, especially if both of you cannot type each other's language. So this translate feature is a perfect one for you in terms of that conversation. Let me know what you think about this feature. Thank you for watching.